Hi friends, this is your fourth example in your textbook. Previous examples are explained in part 2. Hi students, I am new to YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new solved questions. Like my video and share knowledge with your friends. Thank you. So here they have given your question in roster form. We have to convert it in set builder form. Now they have given this roster form. Now in every roster number we can see that numerator is less than denominator, that is one number less than denominator. Let us consider numerator as n. If here n equals 1, then in this denominator 1 plus 1 equals 2. So if n is 1, that is n plus 1 equals 2. Now for this second numerical, that is if n equals 2, that is if numerator is 2, then n plus 1 equals 3, that is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now this form we can write it as n divided by n plus 1, right? Now we have started n equals 1 and we have to end at n equals 6. We can do it and we have to stop till n equals 6, that is n plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now we can say that n starts from 1 to 6. We can write it as 1 is lesser than or equals to n is lesser than or equals to 6. From 1 to 6 we are considering n values. Now what is n here? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all natural number. We can write this set in set builder form as set A equals x is to x is or x equals n divided by n plus 1. These are all in the form n divided by n plus 1. So x is n divided by n plus 1, where n is natural number, right? N is natural number, and we have to apply this condition. It is necessary because they have given limits. They have given limited numericals. So 1 is lesser than equals to n is lesser than equals to 6. This is our set builder form. Let us discuss exercise problems. So first, which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. We have to say whether the following is set or not. So first they have given the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. They have given all the collection of all the months beginning with the letter J. So if we consider what are the months begin with J, that is January, June and July is a set. Rather than this is any other month which starts with J? No, it is a set. Next, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Is it a set or not? No, it is not a set because they have given only 10 most talented. We have so many writers in India, so it is not only 10, right? So it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Is there only 11 best cricket batsmen in world? No, it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class, is it is a set because they have mentioned all boys in your class. So next is let A. They have given a set which includes numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to write whether 5 belongs to A or not. 5 belongs to A? Yes, because A includes 5. So we write 5 belongs to A. Then is 4 belongs to A? A includes 4, right? So 4 belongs to A. Is 8 belongs to A? No, there is no 8 digit. There is no 8 number in the set A. So 8 does not belongs to A. Is 0 belongs to A? No, there is no 0 number. So 0 is not belongs to A. See, now they have given the following in roster form. We have to convert in, they have given in set builder form. We have to convert in roster form. Now they have given x is an integer. Let us draw a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3. We know these are all integers, right? So they have given x is less than 3 -3. So what is less than -3 here? -2, -1, these are less than -3, and x is less than x is less than +7. So what are less than +7? It is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the set contains, what is x is an integer, right? Where they have given limits, that is condition. So by seeing this condition, we have -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our set in roster form. So next they have given x is a natural number less than 6. What are natural numbers includes? Natural number includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. They have mentioned natural number less than 6. What are the natural number less than 6? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our set in roster form. See now what they have given. X is two digit natural number, that is from 10 to 99, right? Two digit natural number, such that the sum of its digit is 99. If we do 1 plus 0, that is 10, we will get 1. We have to get it here 8. So what digit which two digit numbers, if we do its sum, we will get 8. First is 44. 44, if we do its sum, that is 4 plus 4, we will get 8. Next, if we do 35, that is 3 plus 5, it will get 8. 53, 5 plus 3, it is 8. 17, 1 plus 7 is 8. 71, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next we will get 26, that is 2 plus 6 equals 8. 62, 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then 80, 8 plus 0 equals 8. So we can write it in a roster form. Set C equals, what we have got, first we write 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. So this is our set in roster form.